Hello, this is my exam 2 final presentation. So what I did was, it was about same-sex marriage. So same-sex marriage is defined as two people or persons getting married together with the same sex. So like woman and woman or male male, basic definition there. So same-sex marriage pros. So the biggest influencer is telling you that change is going to happen. So in the video that I watched recently was about President Obama advocating for same-sex marriage. So getting more aware of like changes that are happening in the world. Another video that I watched said something about you don't have to pay income tax for the benefits if you are married. So if you are not married and you still receive benefits, you would have to pay $2,000 to $5,000 in income tax for those benefits. And then obviously love is love. Same-sex marriage cons. So the Bible says that same-sex marriage is a sin for those who are Christian and who would dispute same-sex marriage. There's no law for marriage of the same-sex couples. There's also a law for man and woman to get married. It's defined that a man and a woman should get married to produce an offspring, which, in a sense, for if you're a same-sex couple, you would not be able to do that unless you were to do other routes. The law defines that marriage is for a man and a woman. Behaviors from the videos that I noticed. So you receive more benefits. Change is good in the world. More awareness coming from a public figure, so like Obama. The third video that I had watched received a score of 27. So this one was from Obama, just a public figure, making sure that you are aware and having more awareness of things that are changing in the world, and be able to dispute or advocate for those. Emotional views. So some videos that I watched explained the stance on why it is good to have same-sex marriage. Like I said before, so you have like I said before, you have more benefits. And then the other video that I saw was they used the Bible as a source or a tactic to appeal to someone's emotion. So using a sacred book to appeal to the emotional view of someone who is religious or who isn't, to be able to dispute those. Nonverbal language I noticed was waving hands, eye contact, or raising voices for emphasis on the topic they were trying to discuss. Listening and critical thinking. So people are audience listening, like listening to the thoughts that are being said and being able to process those, and then being asked questions is another way of listening to the conversation. So that is my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please email me. Thank you.